Education career students. In today's video, I will discuss the question paper of Safura Talent Discovery Examination 2020-21 Group A. The first question is small plants with weak stems are called herbs. Which of these is a herb? Among the four options, tulsi, apple, gulmohar, grapevine, grapevine, grapevine. Among the four only, here gulmohar is not a herb. All other trees are herbs. Exactly the word not. Here should be not. Who among of this which is not a herb? The question should be which is not a herb. Here gulmohar is not a herb, but all other three are herbs. So the correct option will be C. Next question. Which of the following is not an example of opaque object? Opaque. Here wall, towel, paper and glass. Here these are wall, towel, paper and among glass. Among the four, the correct answer is D. Glass. Glass is not, which is not an object, example of opaque object. Here right answer will be D, the glass. Next question. In a year, Monday is the first day of the month of March. Which one of the following Saturdays comes Monday in the same month? Here first day is Monday, so day one is Monday. After 7 days again Monday will come, so 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 7 plus 8 plus 7. Here 8 plus 7 is, so it is not correct. 1 plus 7, 8. 7 plus 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. Yeah. After the 7 days gap, the Monday will again come. So the C option is correct. Others are not correct. Here 1 plus 6 equals 7. So it is not correct. The difference will be 7 days. So C option is correct. Now next question. If ball is called cap, cap is called pencil, pen is called eraser, eraser is called bag, then Robbie will wear test in sunlight. In generally sunlight, people wear caps, cap, not pencil, not eraser, not bag. We do not wear bag, pencil or eraser only. We wear cap in sunlight. But cap is called pencil. So C option is correct. You will wear pencil in sunlight. Yes, pencil means cap. So C option is correct. Find out the correct sentence for the following options. My mother cooked very tasty food. My mother third person, so it should be cooks. So it is wrong. My mother's cook. It is here no apostrophe s. It, also not cook, cooks. It is also wrong. My mother cooks very tasty food. Here it is not apostrophe s, only s. No need of apostrophe. So it is also wrong. My mother cooks very tasty food. Both these two sentences are same. So there is no correct option here. You can choose anyone, either C or D, because these two options are nearest to the correct answer. So anyone will be correct between C and D. Exactly, the apostrophe is wrong. No apostrophe necessary here. It is also third person form. The cooks will be in third person form. So next, arrange the jumble words to make a meaningful sentence. Viewing TV held to injurious time a long for. Here it means watching TV or viewing TV for a long time is injurious to health. So the first option is also correct. Viewing TV, or that means watching TV for a long time is injurious to health. So it is a correct sentence, a meaningful sentence. So the very first one is A is correct. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Mother has started preparing noodles. Have my breakfast in 2 minutes. Here have, will have my breakfast in 2 minutes. That means mother is preparing, has started preparing. That means she is preparing food, and within 2 minutes she will complete my breakfast. So will, the first option is correct. Now fill in the blanks with correct option. That means we will have to fill up with correct preposition. The aeroplane flew high. We saw that the clouds left. That means clouds left behind. The clouds are seen left behind. So here there is no behind. So it will be below. That means the clouds are below the plane. Next, choose the correct meaning of giggle. Giggle. Among the 4 options, cackle, yawn, eat, sleep. Only first option is correct. Cackle means giggle. That means laugh. Laugh in a particular way. Next, mark the opposite with a given word, courageous. Here, brave means also courageous, valorous also, and bold also. These are synonyms of courageous. That means similar to that meaning, but only cowardly. Here it is cowardly. It is opposite to courageous. Next, take the correct name of the group in the below. Mountains. Mountains will make a compound word by matching with range. Mountain range. We do not say mountain stuff. Mountain group, mountain brood. It is not correct. Only mountain range will be a good compound word. So mountain range. See, the option is correct. Next, find out the meaning of the following phrases. Get in. Get in means move inside, move about, clear out, examine. Here the first A option is correct. Move inside. Get in means move inside. That means come inside. Next, select the option that forms the second verse. That means spare is to dig, shovel is to scoop. The first option is correct. That means spare is used to dig, shovel also used to scoop. So that's all for today. Thanks for listening.